I'm Oliver, and today I'm going to be showing you my 1940s Emerson electric fan. This fan is 12 inches and it has one speed. So now I will turn the fan on for you guys. This fan is really powerful. It's pretty quiet too. The one thing I noticed about this fan though is that it does have a missing badge and the cage is upside down. So, looks like someone may have restored it or something and put it back together the wrong way. So yeah, there you have it. My 1940s Emerson electric fan. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.